they got EMC with them. Then for that we have to assist them.
In spite of that, they used to call you.
Yes, yes. No, they got EMC with them. They have to give some committed services for a year or 2 years. Well, if the problem come in our part, which we are done, they will call us sometimes.
So
they got
normally
help.
you used to give.
We have to. It is a business decision and commitment
Obviously,
for the
because
client.
and that too bigger
Yes.
clients, and normally you have to help those
Yes,
kinds of bigger
yes,
clients
yes.
so that you have good mutual relationship with
Yeah,
business
yeah,
also.
yeah.
And how about the government here in Karnataka? How do the government support the small scale industries here?
Government support very good for small scale industry.
I see.
Since 1986, we are having a lot of schemes for government. With the government schemes only, we came to Karnataka. At that time, subsidy was there, lands were available cheaper rate, and there was a shelter subsidy was there. Lot of things were there. That's why it made us to come to Karnataka, settle here, because the big projects given support.
I think even now the government is providing subsidy to some of the projects.
That is up to 25 lakhs only. Up to 25 lakhs. Tiny industry only they are giving. And in Mangalore there is no subsidy, because we are in the zone. The zoning is zone 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it all comes under special economic zones, or
No.
this
That
is industrial zone.
This zoning done with the industrial department. As
This comes under zone.
Zone 4 or zone 3 something comes. Yeah.
So from which zone onwards they used to give?
No, zone 4 they used to give the subsidy. Zone 2 we are now.
Oh, you are in zone 2.
Zone 1 is highly like Bangalore only in zone 1.
Okay.
Metros and
Bangalore
all.
is zone 1.
Yeah.
So from zone 4 they used to give a subsidy.
Zone 4 still a lot of places in Karnataka zone 4 are there. Northern part of Karnataka zone 4 is there.
And what is that you are going to diversify into now?
No, so in the engineering industry we have done a lot of things. Now at that time we used to work physically in the side work. Because of the time we want to diversify for the requirement. We want to have a regular production item manufacturing. So we went for tin manufacturing. By taking one counter from in Andhra, we had one tin manufacturing section. One more RMC also we are trying to start in our place. That is the need of the hour of our client requirement. By starting the RMC yesterday, my earlier client Toyo came to factory. No, we will give the business to you shortly.
Shortly.
Yeah.
So normally, how many clients you have so far? If I can give you an option of say stating your first priority clients and second priority clients, how many clients do you have in the first priority?
No. See, for us, all clients are priority clients, because whenever they come to us, we will service to them. We will not.
What do you mean to say?
We will not make any client big. He may be MRPL, he may be a small local counter next to my door. Clients are equal to us. We should not diversify, because they are also giving money to us. Nobody is giving free work. No, MRPL means he was not giving good money. We have to compete and take the work. No.
So he has rightly said the answer for that question. Actually, this is a tricky question where people normally used to say, "Oh, these clients are into the first priority." For a businessman, a priority should be given to all customers or all kinds equally. So only then a business can succeed.
Yeah.
And at the early time when you started your business, after 5 years of your professional job, what are the kind of hurdles you have faced at that point in time?
No, starting the industry, we got a lot of hurdles. Getting the finance also, we got hurdles. Getting the land also, we got hurdles. But everything hurdles were passed because of our courage and all. Unfortunately, that is second year of functioning, I personally met with accident, which was the biggest hurdle. While doing the work,
met with an accident in the inside industry?
No, in the working side.
My God.
Which made my industry completely collapse in my business. I got my leg fractured because we are doing erection work. Commitment was there, work commitment was there. That's why we had to personally involved in the work, physically involved in the work. Then we get the leg fracture. At that time, around big 2-3 spots working was there. All work got disturbed.
And
there is no control of the proprietor.
Obviously, and a boss should be always there.
And which made, I can see, which made a sick industry. I lost everything. I gone to scratch.
Again from the scratch.
Again from the scratch, by the grace of God and my commitment to my clients, which made me brought to me up, and I could become the president of the association for 4 or 5 years.
Fantastic thing, and he's very so sweet also, because going down, once a businessman loses business, it is very difficult to get up from the sick bed. Actually, that is a sick bed for all the businessmen. If once they fall down, it's very difficult to come up. In spite of everything, he had overcome all those things, and you had really gone up in another 50 times higher speed, I can say.
Yeah.
Now you have formed your platform in a good manner, right?
Yeah. Now there is no liability, nothing is there. Now whatever we will think and before work anything, we are taking the risk. We are taking the risk with thinking only. Risks we are taking. We are also doing our side some risk are there.
Risk are always there
All there.
involved in the
But
business.
this type of accident risk are very less.
Okay.
But we are facing it in our
Now
field.
you
Accident.
must be ready to face all sorts of consequences which may happen if your present
No,
is
ready to
not-
solve. I cannot fail. Ready to solve all the consequences if anything
That's
comes.
all.
Yeah.
So you will be preoccupied with all those things, with the plans and all those
Yeah, yeah,
strategies,
yes.
which will really help you into your business.
Yeah, definitely. Because I experience the problems. With that, I can get a solution.
That's what. Always life is a
Yeah.
teacher, no?
Yeah.
You will learn so many different things from your own life, from your own situations
Yes.
and all.
There we got all the financial problems, the governmental problems, labor problems. Every problem we have seen. Nothing. Now there is no problem which are not seen, which have to be seen by entrepreneur. Already seen it.
So you have seen almost n number of problems.
Yes, that's why today I can encourage any entrepreneur who come with a problem to the association. I can support them. I can get him solved. I can give him a lot of courageous support, everything from
This
sitting
is
in the
what
chair.
your life, your
Yeah.
business life has taught you lot many
Yeah.
things, and you are really content now with all the problem solving
Yeah.
actions. And now only when people get into problem, they might get to know that how to solve the problem. If you're not having any problem, you will have no solution for that. So I can say that he is the good example, or he is the good person to take as an example to solve or to take up the life inside the business and how to solve all those kind of problems. Anyway, sir, and you said for the entrepreneurs who are upcoming to your association, you give them all sorts of solutions.
Definitely.
I have a question for you. What kind of possession or what kind of thing should be there inside an upcoming entrepreneur who is about to start a business? What kind of thing should they be possessed inside them?
He should be achievement, he should be motivated for doing the industry, and he should have zeal. He should have courage and zeal to, I will do this.
Correct.
I will do this like a sportsman or like your sportsman or sports person. They will, for achieving the aim, whatever work they want, they will do. They will wake up in 3 o'clock and do the exercise. Similarly, to become an entrepreneur, to become a successful entrepreneur, he should go through all types of problems, ready to face all the problems, and he should be committed to all the work.
Whatever work he takes up, he should be committed.
Committed. He should do all the activities with a firm commitment he has to make.
So fantastic example and fantastic advice he have told you. So you have to take up everything with good courage and zeal. Only then you can really do your work fantastically.
Yeah.
And